Good morning, guys. It's Cody from tristaterv here. Today we're looking at the all-new Gray Wolf 19RR. These are brand new colors for 2019 and they'll go to 2020. They call this Duracoat metal. It's extra coating so it will not scratch as easy as the old style metal. New MORRIDE stairs. Patio system on the back. Beautiful flooring in this unit. Full-size fridge, new Furrion stove system, new Furrion radio system in this unit. Beautiful on the inside. Corner bed. They just did a really good job on this new unit. The all-new Gray Wolf 19RR.